Hello and welcome to our comprehensive course on customer service. This course has been designed to equip you with the necessary skills to effectively communicate with the customers, handle difficult situations, and build customer loyalty. Upon completion of this course, you'll be able to understand the importance of customer service and its impact on business success. Additionally, you'll be able to communicate effectively with customers using active listening and positive language. You'll also learn how to handle difficult customers and resolve complaints in a professional manner. Furthermore, you'll be able to build rapport and establish customer loyalty, as well as develop emotional intelligence and manage stress and burnout in the workplace. Understanding the importance of customer service. In this section, you will learn about the importance of customer service in achieving business success. We will discuss the role of customer service in building and maintaining customer relations, as well as the impact of customer service on customer loyalty and the brand reputation. We will also explore the different types of customers and their needs, as well as the importance of understanding and meeting customer expectations. Effective communication. In this section, you will learn about effective communication techniques that can help you better connect with customers. We will discuss the importance of active listening and positive language in building rapport with customers. We will also explore different communication styles and how to adapt your communication style to meet the needs of different customers. Additionally, we will cover best practices for written communication such as email and chats. Number 3. Handling difficult customers and resolving complaints. In this section, you will learn how to handle difficult customers and resolve complaints in a professional and empathic manner. We will discuss strategies for diffusing difficult situations and resolving complaints to the satisfaction of the customer. We will also explore how to escalate complaints to management when necessary, and how to follow up with the customers to ensure their issues have been resolved. Number 4, building rapport and establishing customer loyalty. In this session, you will learn about strategies for building rapport and establishing customer loyalty. We will discuss the importance of building trust with customers and how to create a positive customer experience. We will also explore techniques for upselling and cross-selling, as well as how to use customer feedback to improve products and services. Number 5, emotional intelligence and managing stress and burnout. In this session, we will learn about the importance of emotional intelligence in customer service and how to manage stress and burnout in the workplace. We will discuss the technique for developing emotional intelligence, such as self-awareness and empathy. We will also explore how to manage stress and avoid burnout through time management and self-care strategies. In conclusion, this comprehensive course on customer service has been designed to provide you with the necessary skills and technique to effectively communicate with customers, handle difficult situations, build customer loyalty, and manage stress and burnout in the workplace. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and tools to make a positive impact on your customers, your team, and your business. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy this course.